Hey guys, good morning. We are here in Noi Bai International Airport and it's Sunday morning around 8:30 in the morning. 1 hour difference from the time of Manila. And as usual, first order of business always, we withdraw cash through Agribank. Siya kasi may cheapest na withdrawal fee available here in the airport. And we also took our SIM card. Meron dun. Noi Bai guys is actually a small airport. Pero as you can see, dito sa mga videos natin, pretty much their airport is clean and very well organized. Nandito kami ngayon sa Old Quarter in Hanoi and hinanap lang namin tong place na to where we are going to be picked up by the van, yung sleeper van na sasakyan namin mamaya papunta ng Sapa. So right beside nung pickup point, we saw this little restaurant called Hanoi. They're serving coffee, banh mi, and other dishes. So we took some time to rest here. Actually, nagpapahangin lang. And then grabbing our quick breakfast. And then later, we'll know what else to do. Kasi yung pickup namin is 3 p.m. pa. And it's just 10:30 in the morning. Our banh mi is here. Yeah. Yung binili namin is the vegetarian with egg. So, pero parang yung vegetables niya, actually vegetable niya, carrot lang, tapos the rest are eggs. And then I also got this, yung coffee with condensed milk, pero sa sobrang tapang dinagdagan ko ng kape, ng water, kasi para lang siyang espresso shot and then condensed milk. So yung banh mi na nakain namin, siguro hindi siya yung best na version kasi para lang siyang may palaman na scrambled egg. But yung filling kasi, yung nilalagay dun sa sandwich, pipiliin mo either vegetarian, yung pinili namin is yung may kasamang scrambled egg. And then the rest, meron din mga meat like pork. So yeah, maybe we could try some other version sa ibang restaurant. Then ganito talaga yung itsura ng mga resto o yung mga kainan nila. Yan. Nandito lang kami. Nasa kalsada. Habang may mga dumadaang mga sasakyan. And like they say, you would know it's Vietnam kapag puro tunog ng motor or nakikipagpatintero ka sa motor sa daan. Almost 1 o'clock guys, and we found this Vietnamese restaurant with vegan option. Dito pa rin to sa sa Old Quarter This is after nung quick walk namin dun sa Hoan Kiem Lake. Tama ba yung name? Basta yung lake dito sa Old Quarter. And we ordered chicken and some vegetable options nila. We are done with lunch, guys, and overall sakto lang yung food. Hindi siya kasi mukhang freshly cooked, para siyang prepared na tapos reheated. And then for the price na parang yung rice meal na yon is around 300 in pesos. And now we're heading back to the pick-up point kung saan kami susunduin nung van papuntang Sapa, but we're just looking for a convenience store to buy water. And this street somehow is getting busy. Parang madami pa rin mga nagle-late lunch. Everywhere is a banh mi store. Ayun o. Nasa likod ko. And then on the other side as well. So our limousine's finally here. Ayan siya. So this is the sleeper van. And we're going to sit here. Hello. So guys, hindi namin tinake yung sleeper bus kasi we thought na mas okay dito kasi ang upo lang tatlo dun sa likod, tapos dalawa dito, tapos dalawa uli dito sa harapan. Yeah, I'm not sure kung may umuupo dun sa tabi ng driver, pero pretty much mas konti yung sasakay. Yeah, parang total of 7 lang. So sa ngayon kami pala yung nakasakay, and dito kami pinick up sa Old Quarter, and we are about to go. So hindi ko alam kung saan pipick upin yung mga makakasabay namin dito sa van. Okay, so presyong usapan, ito is worth 1,100 pesos per head, compared sa mga sleeper bus na around 600 to 800, depende sa kung ano yung line ng bus na sasakyan. And yung difference, ito parang lang siya, yung lazy boy na seat, so reclined lang. And then yung other buses, I think nakahiga talaga. Now, despite the price difference, itong van would bring you to the hotel where you're going to stay. Unlike sa mga buses na parang may point lang of drop-off, and then you would have to make your way to your hotel. So yung itong van parang special service kasi from point of pick-up, dadaling ka na dun sa pinaka-hotel mo sa Sapa. Masaya tong seat, guys, kasi pwede siyang ma-full recline. Kaya lang pag may nakaupo na dun sa likod, baka bigla kang shampoohan kasi yung full recline niya parang nakahiga na halos. Yeah. And what's nice, merong massage option yung full seat, so meron sa likod at saka sa legs, nagva-vibrate siya. And then may option na 1, 2, 3, depende sa lakas na gusto mong massage. For the meantime, because we didn't have any sleep yet, it's time to sleep. Hey guys, I'm not sure if we are halfway through, but we have here a stopover. Quick stopover, 20 minutes, and that's for bio break or some snacks, but it's been 2 hours, I believe, from the time that we departed Hanoi. And here it rain. Buti tumigil na siya bago kami bumaba. At medyo basa. Ito yung sample ng mga sleeper bus, guys. So dito din nag-stop over yung mga buses. Ito yung itsura niya. This one is Supreme Cabin. Hey guys, this is our second stopover. Ayan yung van na sinasakyan namin, and I'm not sure kung ano yung name nung stopover na to, pero I'm seeing inside Nahang 237. Ayan siya, parang may food court or may bilihan ng mga something to munch. Meron ding massage chair doon, which we don't need kasi our van, yung upuan natin na parang lazy boy, meron din siyang massage feature. So we're just going to stay here a little bit kasi 30 minutes daw yung stay here, and then 1 more hour before our final destination. Hey guys, we're finally here in Sapa, Vietnam, and that is after 5.5 hours of travel with 2 stops. 20-minute yata yung stop na yon. And we actually have checked in already dito sa homestay here in Wang Lien, Sapa. This is the room, and I am going to create a separate video about this one. But for now, I'm going to end this video right here. For more information about how we booked the travel and how much it cost us in total, I would put all those information in the description box below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe for more of our videos here in Vietnam, only here in Vlogcetera. Bye! We are gonna get our dinner here in Sapa Center. We found this restaurant. Ayan, na walang masyadong tao. It's called the Berry House Pizza. But we are not gonna eat pizza. We ordered fried noodles, banh mi, and lumpia. So ito yung food namin, guys. Ayan. Stir-fried noodles. Tapos itong banh mi with egg and vegetable spring roll.
Cracky.